Hey guys, Namaste. This is Matnahs and today I'm at Cheongju University, Cheongju, South Korea. And we have come to the international village to visit the dormitories of Cheongju University. Now there are different dormitories. There are 2-people room and 4-people room. Let's go and check them out.
First, let's go and visit the room in the International Students Dormitory.
As you enter the dorm, there's a huge rest area and a reception. Wow, so now we are in the International Students Dorm and this room is for 4 people in 1 room. This room is big. It's spacious. Wow. This room is to be shared by 4 people. There are 4 bunk beds and there's 4 tables, 4 wardrobes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 bathrooms right over here. Here is the shower and your toilet right over here. Is there a shower? There's no shower in this one. So there are 2 toilets and 1 shower. Every table has 1 extension cord to put in your devices. This place is huge. I like it. You can come here and enjoy this place with your friends. There's enough space to do a lot of activities. You want to sleep up. You want to rest down, play. Space for your shoes. And wow, pantry over here. Fill up your bottles. Use the microwave, wash your dishes, the refrigerator right over here, microwave again. You can heat up your food and eat right over here. This place is huge and there's a pretty nice view outside. Well, this looks pretty.
Next, we'll go and visit the 2 people in 1 room dorm.
So I'm standing right in front of the building number 5, the dorm number 5. And what we have here is the biometrics for the door. The door closes at 11:30 p.m. But if you want to get in, you can get in by using your biometrics. Let's go and check out one of these rooms, how they are. So now the good thing is that all the rooms are this electronic lock provided. All the people in the room will get their passwords. All you need to do is enter your password and then open up this room. So as you enter, there's a spacious portion out. Like you can keep your bags over here or stuff, and you can, if you don't want to keep your bags, you can like meet your friends and have a talk with them over here. This is A, this is room number B, and this is room number C. So, okay, so 1 room consists of 3 rooms inside of that. This room is for 2 people. They have 2 beds, 2 study tables, chairs, a rack to put your stuff in. And for clothes, they have got this big almirah with different partitions to put all your things in. There's also a small balcony over here. You can utilize this space. I mean, I think it might be pretty nice in the evening, so you can come outside, get some fresh air. So this is the shower area. I mean, they've got really nice shower and a mirror. Wow, the good thing, they've got mirrors everywhere. The washing area, toilet 1 is over here, and then toilet 2. I mean, this thing has a wash basin and a big mirror. And yeah, you have cabinets to keep in your shoes. You can keep in your shoes right over here. And the place is all spacious. I mean, all the cabinets are pretty spacious. There's a space right over on the top as well.
Next, we'll go and visit the rooms in the Yeji Hall.
A single room shared by 2 people. Come, let's check it out. So you have bunk beds and then you have a wardrobe to keep in your clothes. And you have 2 study tables. The size is big enough. It's comfortable. You have your power outlets, an internet outlet, the Ethernet outlet, and you have this rack to keep your books and everything and your stuff. There's your bathroom, and in this you have got a nice shower area. This one has a glass cabinet for the shower area, your toilet, your wash basin. You even got a small cabinet to put in your stuff and everything. 2 cabinet again over here. You can put in your shoes, and a small mini cabinet on the top. Oh, this room is pretty fancy.
All the rooms in the dorms have heating system and air conditioning.
One thing that I like the most is that this place has a 24-hour gym. Let's go. This place is well equipped if you like working out. This dorm also has ping pong tables. Because you stay in a dormitory, you definitely need to buy supplies, and this place has a 24-hour convenience store right at the bottom of the dormitory.
The dorm also has a meeting room where you can come and meet with your friends. The dorm also has a study room. Students come here and study when they want to study alone.
And there's also the laundry zone right at this floor. So yeah, as you can see, this place is fully equipped with washing machines, and the dryers are right over this side. All you need to do is get your card through this machine. It costs around 1,001. Take your card, recharge it with money. You can recharge the card with this machine itself. All you need to do is put your clothes in this, swipe your card, it'll deduct the money accordingly. Different machines have different charges. You can see which one do you want, and yeah. Once you're done washing, you can come here and get your clothes dried up. These are the dryers right over here. Just in case you've run out of your detergent or you don't have one, you can just get one right over here. You need to swipe your card and this thing just comes out right over here. This place also has table and chairs, so if you want to wait while you're washing the clothes, you can come here and wait.
There's also an ATM right outside the dorm building. And right between the dorm buildings is our dormitory cafeteria.
So this is the kitchen area for the dormitory's canteen. Students can come and cook their own food. You've got lockers over here to put up your utensils and everything. There's the refrigerators to put up your ingredients. This is the cooking area. You've got hot plates over here, the induction plates, and you've got the washing area to wash up your food and utensils. And you can eat right up over here. This place is so convenient. Make sure like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you in the next vlog.